Hi, Chef Lee here. Today I want to share with you a very simple and delicious seafood recipe that which you can enjoy with your family and friends. If you're a seafood lover, then this Ciopino recipe is what you want to watch. Let me show you how it is done. Welcome back. I'm here behind the kitchen with all the ingredients cleaned and cut up. Before we start, just pour in some olive oil with medium-high heat. Okay, the first thing we're gonna start with is sautéing some onion. Now when we do this, we only want to lightly cook the onion until it's golden color. Put in some garlic. Now keep that stir going because we don't want to burn them, right? Now onion is done. So we're gonna put in our celery. Now I use celery in my recipe instead of fennel. It's because I just couldn't find them available in the market. But if you can, go ahead and throw some fennel in there. They really add some unique flavor into the soup. Now it's time to pour in our red wine. Now I want to mention you want to wait until all the alcohol content has evaporated before we move on to the next step. So all you're left is that fragrance of the wine instead of the alcohol smell. Add in our tomatoes, chopped parsley. Now you can use canned tomato, remember. I use fresh ones because that's what I have. Italian seasoning. Now fresh herbs works better. However, dry herbs like these, just convenient. Couple pinch of salt. It's gonna help to pull the moisture out of the tomato that we just added. Some dried chili peppers. Now you can definitely use fresh ones. Put in our marinara sauce. This is gonna work as a base for the soup. Two pieces of bay leaf. Once the soup is up to temperature, it's time to add in the crab. I recommend we use fresh seafood instead of cooked because we want to be able to extract all the flavor from the shellfish. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes on medium heat. Adding in our tomato paste. Put in our shrimp, codfish. Did I mention more seafood, guys? Why not? After all, we're making a seafood soup. So the only ingredient that's missing, I wish I had, was clam and clam juice, but I'm happy with the results. Put in the mussels that we have. Lid on and let it simmer in medium heat for about 15 minutes. Now the soup is done, right? Wait, we need to add salt. That's right. We always need to season our food at the end. Now to check to make sure you want to taste first, and then season accordingly. Little bit of parsley leaf at the end, then you're done and ready to kick back and enjoy your Ciopino. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.